this is something I was talking to a student of mine. He was like कि अब अगर Bollywood type का गाना बनाना हो तो क्या रहेगा? So let's see. So let me take you to the journey of like building something like this. Most of the times in Bollywood film music, we think so much about the rhythm, like ये क्या क्या बजेगा उसके पीछे आगे और क्या ऑप्शन होगा, and then there is like ये मेलोडी होगा और ये सारी चीज़ होगा. तो so this is kind of like ऐसा एक प्लग है इसमें. So लॉजिक का इंस्ट्रूमेंट से like प्लकिंग वाला गिटार एक बिल्ड कर ले. Like this is kind of like जैसा pizzicato playing वाला. This is a higher octave of that. It's like combining. And this is the pad sound which is in like ये F minor का गाना है तो progression चल रहा है F minor, C sharp major, yeah, C sharp major, and then this like that one was this one was like D sharp and again F minor. ये progression ऐसा चलता है, and after that like you bring in the bass, pump it up like. So ये दो bass guitar का Logic का stock sound है, उसको मिला करके just build a new bass kind of sound. So this is like वही जो progression चल रहा है उसका पीछे का वो है, and then this is a cheesy kind of like lead sound. This is the higher octave, this is the lower octave, and this is its counter melody for that. So if you are to listen to them together as a melody part. So let's talk a little bit about the rhythm, which is like there is one thing which is like this acoustic guitar from a VST that is playing in the backdrop as well. Kind of like gives a bit of rhythm. First we actually did try this kind of something as well, then we thought like यार ऐसा नहीं करते. And then this is a banjo sound, and on top of that you get the idea like. And then we thought that in the original song which they programmed, they did something like ऐसा इसका बाद rhythm शुरू होता था, and we just muted the rhythm here. And let's talk about कि क्या क्या है rhythm का element. There's this kick. The basic element पहले हम देखते हैं. This is the ढोलक का pattern, which is the basic 6/8 का progression है. And then there is this duff, उसका progression to back it up. And like this is like a hi-hat, like मतलब वो जो करताल वाली जो sound होती है like. This one's shaker, then there is this clap, and this kick is like like this has got some rhythm. So if you like listen to the entire rhythm together, काफी भरा हुआ है, like high ends, low ends, everything, melodic elements भी है इसमें, and then there's this break in which it starts with this rise. And same, you have just cut in the claps, chuck chuck chuck, and उसके साथ में ये duff और इसका sound को भी ऐसे काट के लगा दिया इसमें से. And then in kind of a bridge जैसा ऐसा part आता है, very simply like adding this sound. So the rhythm sounds something like this. Yeah, and then again there is this break. So this is a whole soul, like breakdown of so many people who are like trying to make Bollywood kind of songs, जिसमें ऐसा Indian percussions groups होगा, ऐसा Indian type का कुछ instruments वगैरह इस्तेमाल करके वो जो बनाते हैं, तो कुछ ऐसा होता है. I hope that this video has been insightful and helpful. Please do subscribe to the channel. And abhi we have like tremendous amount of freebies going on to my website, that is musicwitharijit.com. Go there and download this kind of abhi kuch projects bhi maine upload kiye hain, so you can just download the projects and look into the breakdown ki kaise kya tracks ho rakha hai. Get a better idea, like play with the stuff and maybe like make your own version using the elements that have been programmed into it. So I'll see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye bahut dhanyawad aur namaskar.